Okay guys, quick update on this. It's definitely evolving, this one. It's moving at a rate of knots. Just walked the dogs down here and turned the corner and it's just metal everywhere I look now. It's steel. So there you go. The King Edward Apartments, you can barely see it through there now. So that's going to disappear into oblivion. That's going to definitely disappear into oblivion. Yeah, this bridge, it's like the road to nowhere. It reminds me of the song from the 80s. Remember Talking Heads, the road to nowhere? So the bridge ends there. It's obviously going to feed into this car park. It's going to go straight into this car park, isn't it? This bridge. There you go. Yeah, it's making its way to the front here now. I mean, these front girders here, no more than what, 25 foot from where I'm standing. So this looks like it's going to be the very front of it. See if I can pop my camera through here so I can give you a better view. Tell you what, we'll go over the top. There you go. Okay, just up at the back of the King Edward Apartments, where a lot of the hoarding's been taken down, so you can actually get close up and personal with this now. The steelwork at this back end. So yeah, as you can see, a lot of steelwork going on here. We're at the let's say the west side of this. This is where the like the spirals for the cars going up and down. This is the steelwork for that. As you can see, the different angles. You can see it better actually above. I'll just see that later. But that's the spirals for the cars that'll be going up and down between floors on the west side of the building. And you also got the stairwell and lift shaft here as well on this west side. And we're at the back of the King Edward Apartments. There's Chapel Street. Okay, so you know where we are now. And we are now on the north side of it. My back facing Coral Island. So you've got an idea of where we are. The north side, back facing Coral Island. Most of the floors are in here. These floors are hoisted into place on cranes. They're not pumped in. It's no concrete being pumped in from cement mixers. It's everything's coming like prefabricated and just hoisted into place. Quite amazing to watch. I just wish I had a bit more time to do a time lapse on it, to be fair, but it'd take all day. But yeah, as you can see, it's a work in progress. There's the old police station in the background there, that's soon to be dropped. And this is roughly very close to where Bonnie Street Market used to be. Looking on. Okay. There we have. We're on the west on the west side of it now. That's another stairwell, and you can see these floors have gone in on the north side there. So we've actually, that's it, in there. You've got some huge cranes in there doing the work, doing the lifting, as you can imagine. This is a Sunday actually, so there's no work ongoing. And now we've took to the air, as you can see now, the full scale of it. Okay, so on the north side of it there, that the floors are in there. You can see that the top floor's already been installed. You got huge cranes there working in the middle. So they're just going to fill in the centre and edge their way back towards Chapel Street by the looks of it. There's a shot from above and you can see them spirals that was on about there. On the right hand side there. You can imagine how the cars are going to go up and down on that side. Can you look out to see there? Yes, I'm going to continue doing these videos for a while. Probably do it at like 1 or 2 month intervals to see the progress as it happens, as it unfolds, should I say. Right, from that shot you can see the top floor of that car park there. Heading down Chapel Street here now towards the 2 stairwells and lift towers. And now we're just looking out over, heading south. See the police station there, the Odeon Cinema, Bannatyne's Gym, the football ground in the distance, and far away in the distance there, you know, the Pleasure Beach, you can see the big one just popping up. Okay, this shot we're going above the Golden Mile towards the tower. We're just heading out over Funland and Golden Mile Centre, Sea Life Centre should I say. Towards Coral Island and the new Sands Venue Hotel. As you can see, them wind reeds are standing straight up. There's very little wind today. Ideal day for flying a drone. We're heading in now from the new car park building towards the pier. As you can see, there's a lovely sunset in the background. You got Central Pier there in all its glory. I've got some lovely still shots of this now as well. I'll have to pop them along somewhere, put them on the website or whatever for people to enjoy. Coming across from another angle there, the old police station. Decided to take a few shots of that for the archives because like I said, that will be dropped, that's going to disappear, this whole area will disappear. Heading out now, obviously alongside Central Pier. And when I took this, I noticed that the Dodgem track's gone. There's a big empty hole where the Dodgems used to be, so I don't know what's going on there. So maybe I can find out what's happening, but the Dodgem track is no longer. Whether they've took it away for repairs or whether they bought a new one, I don't really know. But I'll try and find out. If I can't find out, I'm sure somebody will be popping it in the comments. How calm that sea is. It's absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning, the sea today. A shot there down South Shore towards the pleasure beach and Sandcastle. Flip round here. Back to the end of the pier. Got Fun Palace in the distance. And obviously the tower and the Sea Life Centre in the centre. And you can see there where the Dodgems are missing. The Dodgems building is actually missing off that pier. I'll have to find out about that one. Now heading in towards the promenade. And like I said before, them wind reeds, as I call them, they're standing straight up, so there's not a breath of wind. Ideal day for this sort of thing. Got Funland there, Sea Life Centre, and the Golden Mile Centre, and Coral Island on the end. Tucked in behind you got the Sands Venue Hotel, the new Sands Venue Hotel, should I say, right. Heading inland now towards that new car park build once again. Give you it from a different angle. You got the football ground in the distance there. The Odeon Cinema. Quite impressive, this build then, isn't it? Quite impressive. I don't know how long this is going to take. I mean, I said in previous videos I was looking at March, April, but I'm not too sure now looking at it. It's probably going to be more like June, July before completion on this car park. Incidentally, there's the remnants of Bonnie Street Market there, what's left of it. Just a couple of piles of rubble and that's it. Bonnie Street Market gone forever. Once again I had to come back and take another shot of that sunset as it was coming down. It was absolutely stunning that evening. That was Sunday, was it the 5th? I think it was the 5th, was it? Sunday the 5th of February. We got blessed with an absolutely stunning sunset that evening. Quite lucky to have the time-lapse camera set up on the roof at the same time, taking the time-lapse of the sunset, which I've also I've already put on, which you probably will have seen. If you haven't, check it out. Yeah, so some good aerial shots there for you to enjoy as I get to grips with this drone. Obviously I'm still learning the ropes, but hopefully I'll get bigger and better things in the future for you. If you like the video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe, it means the world. Okay, thanks a lot viewers, catch you later.